Okay guys, welcome back to Delicious Video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a TNT cannon, and I actually added this into my monster schools that I made earlier. No. Actually, wait, never mind. Okay. So, it's actually pretty cool, but you have to have the water source, and wait, and you have to put this. I'll show you what happens if you put put a bookshelf, any block. I'll watch. It actually makes a really bad glitch or something. It's just bad. It doesn't do what a regular TNT can would do. Watch. Oh, it actually worked. Except, we don't want that. We want, you could use any slab, just, you have to, stone is the one that usually everybody makes, but I just put cobblestone down. Watch. And if you put that there, it will shoot directly straight. You could put these if you wanted to defend your house like I made over there. Oh, that's my next video. Just say. And, yeah, so, you have to you make sure if you're, yeah, so that's how you make it. So now I'm gonna show you how to make it. Okay. So you go 3 blocks. You make 3 blocks of anything. I'm just using cobblestone now because I just have in my inventory. And then it's got cobblestone everything. Okay, so then you make that. We're gonna make a target. And then wait. You'll see what happens. Watch. Okay, so, and if you want, you can actually make a second layer. It doesn't do anything, it just, it doesn't really do anything different, but if you make a roof, it will not shoot. It will destroy everything. And no one likes that. So, I'm just gonna put a roof 2 blocks over it. One is good, except it will hit it and it will bounce back and it'll explode its own thing. Okay. So next you watch this, and then the guy's like, wait. And then, wait, I may have to break this. Okay. So then they're like, woo! And then they're like, fire! Ooh, it actually hit me off. That's cool. Yeah, they'll make a decent amount of explosion. Sometimes if you make like a 2, like right here and like right here and here, it will shoot in the air so high, and then it'll explode in the air. That's why I don't do that. I don't do 2, I only do 1. So, yeah, so that's kinda it, guys. I'll see you next time. We're gonna check out secret bases. Bye bye.